My husband takes Tums and Antacid all the time. He won't listen to me. Can you repeat it one more time of why he needs to stop taking this?
Hydrochloric acid comes into your stomach 30 to 60 minutes after digestion begins. And the job of hydrochloric acid is to change the pH of your digestive tract, which will activate some enzymes and deactivate others. Its primary role, though, is to act as an agent that destroys pathogens, bugs, bacteria, and viruses. Now, at the top of your intestinal tract is what's called an esophageal sphincter, and it's a little flap that sits down there. If you do not have sufficient levels of acid in your body, what will happen is the food inside your stomach will start to ferment, producing a gas that will keep the flap open, and some of the acid that you're producing will spill up and cause acid reflux and heartburn. The easy way to tell if you do not produce enough antacid is to take a half teaspoon of baking soda, mix it in 4 ounces of water, drink it down on an empty stomach. If you burp within 5 minutes, you are producing enough acid. If you don't, you do not produce enough acid, and 1 capsule of hydrochloric acid after every one of your meals, and usually within a few weeks, will correct all of your acid-based conditions.
This really is like the most nutrient-rich supplements that you can find, and they are amazing. I have tried them. I absolutely love them. So use the coupon code